Assalamu alaikum. At first, I thank my honorable and respectable teacher for giving opportunity to tell something about this topic. Today, my name is Sivat Hussain. Today, my topic name is the case study of Zeski Bank. Introduction. This case of the Zeski Bank, it was established in 1967 with the manager with the merger of Four Dimension Bank. It is the third largest bank in Denmark. In this case of the focus that Jyske Bank has a strong ground in banking market of Denmark, and they are the market leader of customer satisfaction by utilizing their model called Jyske for skills. The model Jyske for skill has the meaning of Jyske differences. And this case study first question was, as of the mid 1990s, what was Jyske Bank competitive positioning, that is, what did it do for customers relative to its competitors? The Jyske Bank places great emphasis on its three group of characteristics like stockholders, shareholders, to treat clients and employees with the same respect. If the balance of favor of one or two groups shifts in the long-term expense of all groups. In mid 1990s, Rescue was dealing a group of customers with one employee. For the reason possibility of services is customers was pretty difficult, which was making flow very customers and disappointed. Beside the customer, were not feeling themselves empowered enough to be one of the important stakeholders of the organization. The core value of the bank are the fundamental basis in relation to customers and staff. Have the following characteristics was Jeski Bank make it common sense, open and honest, different and genuine interest and some attention, and last one is effective and sustainable. Academic of management lead this same value of how the bank as with their customers. The manager knew that if those values they change their attitude of the past and the services, which would be disturbed innovative bank which remain faithful to the customers within competitive banking sector. The second question is, as of 20 as of 2003, what was Zeski Bank competitive positioning? Zeski Bank differentiate itself on the respect of services provision and its tools, employee capability, solution, and increase spending time with their customers. Zeski introduced a new competitive positioning in its branches and all stores operation. New positioning is shown below. Outer boxes. It have developing a niche marketing and targeting the right set of customers. Then a single customer is assigned to a small group of employees in each of the branches of the bank, ensure better and quick services with complete effort. The second question is value addition. To be niche to every customer to ensure satisfaction, making available time for customers, carrying customers as much as possible, focus on niche marketing for extremely valuable customers. Jeski Banks is offering attractive incentives to their employees, increase satisfaction and commitment of the organization. The second is cutting edge. Jeski Bank developed its IT tools to help customers to identify customers' problem and providing proper solutions. Both employee and the tools are providing appropriate solution to customer. And third one is service and culture and that differentiate more employee-centric approach to maintain customer satisfaction. Then empowering employees of the of decision making, employee training for better services oriented availability for customers, changing the style for delivering financial services to customers. And the third question is, what did Zeski Bank sense to enable it to deliver its new competitive positioning? Zeski Bank is a services organization that required to do some competitive positioning. It introduced some tangible and intangible differentiated organization to do so on. Some tangible changes, those were both in Jeski Bank's operation. Account team. This was started when each employee of the branch to service as primary point of contact. There were many problems. Gradually, Jeski Bank identified that many valued customers are the bank, coming to the bank. Employees are busy with customers who were arrived fast, but Jeski Bank was committed to provide individual services to its customer. The situation was hampering the commitment. Then the accounting team of the bank introduced the team-based performance criteria. And second was its branch design. The Bank spent huge amount of money redesigning, redesigning their bank branches. The purpose was not only to decorate it to look arrive. There were some other reasons to make their branches friendly. Some of the some of the beneficial efforts to branches are interaction in attractiveness, signifying quality, reinforcing openness. And the next slide is here have some intangible changes those were bought in Jetski Bank operation. The enable competitive position in Jetski Bank also did some intangible changes in its operation, like training. Jetski Bank provide adequate training to their employees. It helped the team-based services strategy of Jetski Bank to provide services in the way out of traditional retail business. And the last question was, how did Jeski Bank implemented those changes? Jeski Bank brought some changes in its management style. Jeski used many tools, trainings, and Jeski values and linked them together through the share of values of their employees. Jeski Bank implemented this in changing especially their human resources. The bank raised its new customers-oriented competitive method. It is known as STP and goes through positioning the three stages like segmentation, targeting, and finally positioning. The Ski Bank implemented in following ways. Uh, Segmentation is done by following ways like private banking, corporate banking, and consumer banking. And the targeting is done by following ways. Danish families, small to medium Danish companies. And Jeski Bank finally positioning their bank as a bank which make difference for the customer. Jeski Bank was selecting their employees not only depending on their banking skills, they are also evaluating the social abilities of each and every employee which will go along with services and some Jesky values such as openness to customer to genuine interest in other people. Jesky Bank hires employee only if employees are consistent to Jesky values of ensuring satisfaction of customer. Jesky Bank made employees development as every employee's responsibility. Jesky helped in development of employees by investing more on it, but they kept the development of every employee within the Jesky values. Jesky Bank is committed to both customers and their valuable employees. The promises those they are making are being fulfilled for sure. Also, Jesky Bank is investing more in employees, system and infrastructure to help to be top one of the banking market. Conclusion: at, la- uh, at last, at last, after studying the case, I can say that Jesky Bank present competitive market positioning is pretty right and it is going well. But beside uh, that is must handle daily customers encounters properly, and if any failure occurred, then Jesky must fulfill service recovery expen- expectations of each customers by following services recovery strategy properly. That's all. Thank you.